You have people just putting in market orders, maybe from the night before. They haven't even looked at the pre-market chart. So yeah, I find it to be a lot riskier there. Uh, and I mean, it is more volatile. I mean, you may find that that's what you prefer to do, but I find it to be a bit more of a gamble. Anyway, okay. So 9:36 and 13 seconds. I got in and I got out at 9:36 and 15 seconds. And you see, I made 5 cents on that trade. So what probably happened is, see, it popped up. And normally, when it popped, it was like in 5 minutes when it pops up like that and breaks out, it's like normally like when it pulls back, it normally gets bought up like that. It's hard to. I'm gonna have to make another video later on and explain that. But normally when it pops up and normally it'll dip down a little bit and it'll at least come get bought up at least one time. Anyway, so that's what happened, and I know it's confusing with the candle being red. And then again on the same candle, let's see, 9:36. Yeah, I did it a second time at 9:36 and 26 seconds, and I got out at 9:36 and 32 seconds, and it looks like I made 2 cents on that trade. So I did it twice in that candle right there, and it might make a little bit more sense if you guys were looking at that smaller tick chart that I was showing you guys down there. And then, okay, so then I got back in at 9:38 and 23 seconds. So that would have been in this candlestick right here. And let's see, I got in at 4:28. So right in here. So right when this sort of like this little flag started to break out, I guess I would have, yeah, so as soon as it broke over this level of resistance right here, I got in and I got out at 4:37. And you'll see I'm a very quick trader. Normally I totally get out too soon most of the time. All right, so let's see, I made, okay, so I bought at 4:28 and I got out at 4:37, so I guess I made 9 cents on that one. And then I got back in this candlestick 2 more times. But let's see, the second time I got in at 4:36 and I got out at 4:47. And then the next time I got in at 4:46 and I got out at 4:61. So yeah, there was a lot of action that took place right there. Okay, then moving on to 9:39. I got in 9:39.04. I got in at 4:53. I got out at 4:61. Right there. And yeah, and then again in that same candle, I got in at 4:51. And I got out at 4:57, it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, so I made money there, which is surprising because that's this is a candle of indecision. And normally when I see something like this, like that's a big warning sign to me. All these big all these big needles all over the place. So I waited a couple minutes until 4:40. Is that 4:40? 4:42 candle. Yeah, right here. Yeah. I waited for it to decide what it wanted to do, and let's see, I got in at 4:96, and it looks like I actually lost money. I got out at 4:92. So yeah, I guess I was hoping, and that this got bought up. It evidently did get bought up, but I wasn't quick enough or something like that. Anyway, that one they don't all work out. So then 44, I got in at 493 and out at 494. So I was in that 3 seconds. And you guys will see my average hold time. I think I calculated it once. It tends to be less than 6 seconds. So I'm very quick with this. And I'm trying to think, what was I thinking with that? Let's see, what did I get in? I got in at 490. Yeah, okay, that's what I was. I must have been thinking first candle make a new high. Yeah, I was thinking it broke. It was higher than this, and it didn't. I thought it was going to keep going, and it just this drop here wasn't extended enough, and that one didn't work out. All right, so okay, I stayed out of it until 452. So let's see here, 452. Okay, in 5 seconds, and I got in at 521. Oh, I'm the wrong candle. 521. Okay, so I got it at 521. I got it at 529. So I must have been waiting on it to break over, like where it had broken right here. Okay, so I made 8 cents on that. And let's see. All right. Again, the same candle. I got in at 518 and I got out at 523. So I did that twice in that candle. And then let's see, 520. Okay, so then moving on to this one.